Time to get the morning coffee. I'm gonna make a little mince. Just a simple little 2x4 mince. I'm gonna need a couple 2x4s. And I'm gonna want it probably around 24 by 14 and a 3/4, something like that. We'll figure it out. First we're gonna need 4 14 3/4 inch boards. So let's start by cutting that. I'm gonna square off this end. Put a 14 3/4. Take 4 of those. I need 4 at 9 inches. Now, you should have your 14 3/4, 4 of those, and 4 of the 9-inch pieces. Now here, that goes on top, says flush. The bottom one, you want it to sit about 1 inch up. Adding some wood glue just to make it that much stronger. Yep. Put a freeze reel. Turn that speed up some. Screws are getting low. A miscellaneous motion of everything. That'll work. Oh, the drywall screws. They'll be using drywall only.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you in your eyes.
Now you got your 2 things there. And I think I'm gonna make it 24. So now we need 3 24-inch pieces. Yeah. Like these. I decided to flip it over, that way when I attached my screws, you couldn't see the screw heads from on top. I'm measuring about 3/4 of an inch spacing, probably be best. Yeah, roughly. I think I'm going to put a couple across the bottom and make a little trail. Alright, so I got a nail in this board and it's broke off. That's where this little thing comes in handy. I'll show you. Now I can push the head of that nail out. I can grab it with a hammer now. They come in handy for trim and things like that. There's a quick little bench with a shoe rack. You can leave this bench like it is, but I decided to sand mine down. And then I went over it with a coat of semi-transparent dark walnut stain, and I'm going to do a couple coats of clear coat. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch this build. I wanted to go in more depth on this. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Till next time, keep building, keep learning, enjoy the journey. God bless.